welcome back to my channel. Here you see my photography scarf, my variation. I also made my son a cowl and a beanie because he has a grey winter coat that's new, so we made new garments to go with it. He loved it. He's always making fun of things. And I also cast on the Zweig by Boylandknitworks, and I do believe her name is Caitlin Hunter who made it. And this is my third or fourth one I make. It's a very lovely pattern to knit. It always seems to go right for me. So another one with the jeans, recycled jeans, I must say, yarn. And you see me working on the short rows to raise the back a bit, hacking away at it. It's a really nice pattern. I can really tell you it's nice. And I will soon changing into another colour, a variegated yarn with some speckles. I love that yarn because it has neon pink and neon yellow. So it's getting along quite nicely. I wish you all a very creative week and see you next time. Bye!